Good morning, everybody. It's Chris with Florida Angler Outdoors, and today we're going fishing. Just gotta get a couple things set up, get the car loaded up this morning, and we'll be on our way. We're gonna take the kayak out on the lake, going out to Fox Lake. So I'll see you guys here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, got everything loaded up. We're off to the lake and do some fishing today. A little bit of a late start. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. But hey, we're going to give it all we can and have fun. We'll see you guys when we get to the lake. Alright guys, getting the kayak all ready here. Just putting everything away. And we're ready to get out on the water. See if we can catch some bass today. Alright guys, we'll see you out there. Got a little blow up over there, but right now I'm using a super flute. Whoop, I didn't hold that one up very well. Okay, I got a little bit of a mess here. It's alright though, we'll fix it. Alright guys. Alright, now you should be able to hear me. So, this is my first time out on the water on the kayak. And, well, I'm not sure what I did. Well, one thing I didn't do is you guys need rod leashes. I was paddling and I hit my bait casting rod. It fell in the water. I was able to catch it. I didn't let it sink or anything. But now every time I cast it, it just gets gummed up. It just stops spinning. So now I'm going to have to take it home, take it apart, oil it, and see what's going on from there. So, but luckily I brought 2 rods. I was going to bring my other one, but I was like, no, I don't need to bring it. Well, I should have, but that's okay. We're going to make the best of it today. And I'll see you guys here in just a little bit. Alright guys, I'm about to change out here. About to go to a little crankbait. I was gonna do my LTB slam today, but I think I'm gonna take that to a different pond. I have one in mind already. Hey guys, always remember, don't throw your line in the water. If you cut it or something, I got all my line stuck in there so I can just throw it away when I get done. Yeah, don't be throwing it in the water, guys. Alright, let me get this tied on and we'll get back fishing. Hopefully we can catch something on this crankbait. Alright guys, I've been out on the lake now for about 2 hours. I missed 2 fish, that was my fault. I messed up my bait casting reel, so I'm gonna have to go and get that all fixed up. It's all messed up in there. I had a backlash and the gears quit spinning, so I'm gonna have to service that. That's kind of neglect on my part, so that was my fault anyways. I mean, it's a beautiful day out on the water though. I mean, it's nice and flat. Like I said, I missed 2 fish. Unfortunately, it happens. That's why it's called fishing, not catching. You just got to stick with it. You just got to keep coming out and doing more and more. And you know, what I ended with was a crankbait. I started with a super fluke, then I went to a Texas rigged Senko, and now I ended with the crankbait. I didn't do the LTB slam like I told you guys I was going to. I'm actually going to take you to a different location and do the LTB slam instead of on this lake. So yeah, we'll take care of that. I think we're going to head in now. It's about lunchtime. I'm really hungry. I got a lot of stuff to do today before I go to work for the next 3 days. So we'll see you guys in shore. Alright y'all, we're all done at Fox Lake for the day. After I told you I was going to stop fishing and come in, I cast it out a couple more times just because there was a few boats there in the boat ramp, and I missed another 2 fish. So I missed 4 fish total. One of them my line broke, and then the other one I just didn't set the hook good enough. So we'll be back out. I got a busy couple days coming up, so hopefully next week I'll be able to get back out on the water or onto a pond or something. I'm going to start scoping out a couple new places for you guys and go from there. Right now I'm starving, so I'm about to go grab some food, and we're gonna just play our day by ear. I got a bunch of errands to do today. I just wanted to get out on the water because I haven't been out on the water in a while, and I haven't even made you guys a video yet until today. So I'm gonna edit this hopefully tonight and have it out by tomorrow. Today is Thursday, so hopefully have it out by Friday. Saturday would be my latest. All right guys, I talk to y'all later.
Hi, may I have you?
Yeah, can I get I'm gonna do 2 McDoubles with no pickle.
Would you like the double cheeseburger?
Sure. 2 of those with no pickle, and then a small fry and a large sweet tea.
Sure, does that complete your order?
That's it.
So 2 double cheese, no pickle, small fry, and large sweet tea. Your total is $5.94. Your next one down.
Thank you.
You're welcome.